Good morning, students. Today I am explaining 10th class chapter Polynomials. Already we completed first and second chapters. So polynomial definition: an algebraic expression with positive power for variable is called polynomial. So what is the condition? An algebraic expression with positive power. For example, 2x cube minus 7x square plus 9x minus 11. This is, so for example, it is a polynomial. It contains 4 terms. Already we know plus and minus symbols are, divides the terms. Here in this polynomial, 4 terms are there. First term 2x cube, second term minus 7x square, third term plus 9x, fourth term minus 11. So x cube coefficient 2, x square coefficient minus 7 and x coefficient is plus 9 and constant term is minus 11. For example, 2x to the power of 5 plus 7x to the power of minus 3 plus 9. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. What is the condition for the polynomial? Any algebraic equation or expression with positive power for the variable. But here first term variable is x, okay, x power plus 5, so it is positive. Second term contain minus, means negative power for the variable, so it is not a polynomial. So if any algebraic expression contain negative power for the variable, then it is not a polynomial. Now, general form of a polynomial: p of x is equals to a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on plus an x to the power of n minus n x to the power of 0. Anything power 0 is 1. An into 1 an. So that's why the general form of a polynomial is a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on an. It is the general form of a polynomial. Next topic: degree of a polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a term of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Degree means highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. For example, 7x square plus 9x to the power of 5 minus 7. First calculate individual degree for each term. Total how many terms are there here? 3 terms. So first term variable, here variable power is 2. So here degree, this term degree is 2. And second term variable is x. Power is 5. And we know already constant term degree is 0. Compare with the 2, 5, 0. 5 is highest value. So overall the degree of this particular polynomial is 5. Why? Because it is the highest power for the variable. Next, 0 of a polynomial. The value of variable for which the polynomial is 0 called 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means we know the equation equals to 0. What is the 0 of the polynomial? The value of the variable. Here what is the variable? X is the variable. Means we have to find the x value. So 2x is equals to, if you transfer plus 7 from left to right, minus, it changes as minus 7. So x is equals to minus 7 by 2. So what is the 0 of this particular equation? 0 is minus 7 by 2. And table. I am explaining this table. Type of a polynomial. It is the types of polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, multi-polynomial, so many types are there. But according to our 10th class syllabus, these three are important. Type of a polynomial, linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial in one variable and linear polynomial in two variables and linear polynomial in three variables. So many types are there. But in our 10th class syllabus, only linear polynomial in one variable. These models only is there. That's why I am explaining this. Linear polynomial in one way. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, and degree, we know already degree, how to calculate. Here power, x is power. Here x is variable. X power is any number, not that means 1. So degree is 1. And if any algebraic expression degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. And if degree is 1, possible zeros also 1. And the graphical representation of any linear polynomial is straight line. Linear polynomial in one variable also straight line. Linear polynomial in two variables also straight line. So any polynomial, linear polynomial in one variable or two variables, any linear polynomial graphical representation is straight line. And next, it is the general form of quadratic polynomial in one variable. So the degree, we know already how to calculate the degree. So here the quadratic polynomial degree is 2 and possible zeros also 2, and the graphical representation of this particular quadratic equation is parabola. And this is a cubic polynomial in one variable. It is general form of a cubic polynomial in one variable, and degree is 3. And if degree is 3, then possible zeros are 3. And the graphical representation of cubic polynomial is a double parabola. It is very important table. Finding zeros by using factorization method. Already we learned in 9th class. Again I am explaining. First I took x square plus 5x plus 6. Find the zeros of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Here 6. Find the factors of 6. What is this number? It is product of x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient means x square before number. X square before any number is there? No. X square before any number not there means 1 is the coefficient. X square coefficient is 1 and constant term is 6. So it is a product of x square coefficient into constant term. So 1 6 are 6. So find the factors of this product. So products, first one table, 1 6 are 6. After 2 3s are 6. Next 3 2s. When here 2 3s are, we got already factors 2 into 3. Same factors we got reversed. So when we will get the reversed factors, then stop the situation. Then stop the finding factors. So total we got 2 situations here. Here once observe, middle term is plus 5. Actually factorization method means middle term divide as 2 terms. Middle term divide into 2 terms. Here 5x we have to divide. 1x, 6x or 2x or 3x. Which is possible? Already we got here 2 situations. So 5x, 6 minus 1. If we subtract 1 from 5, 1 from 6, we will get 5. And 2 plus 3 also 5. So here I took 2x plus 3x. Why? Only 2x plus, this is also possible, no? 1x, 6x also. But it's not a correct situation. Only this only correct situation. Why? Because it depends on constant term. If constant term is positive, compulsory we have to check addition in the situations. Here in these 2 situations, 6 plus only we have to check addition. Why? Because constant term is positive. Compulsory have to check only addition. 6 plus 1 7. Here 7. Middle term is not 7. 2 plus 3, 5. So middle term is 5. So compulsory 2x, 3x are the suitable factors for this sum. And so plus 2x, 3x. Here plus 2x plus 3x. If it is addition model, which symbol in the given sum, which symbol they gave for the middle sum for both the factors, means plus 2 plus. If middle term is positive, both the factors means that two factors are positive. If middle term is negative, both the factors are negative. Afterwards I will explain that. So if middle term is positive, both the factors are, means both the two factors are positive. So plus 2x plus 3x. We know how to common the factors. Here first term, so we divided 3 terms as 4 terms here. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal. So first term and last term are same, and 5x we divided as 2 terms. So x take as a common, x plus 2, and 3 x take as common. Here already we took x, one x common, x, and here x we took plus 2, and next third term and sixth term, 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3 table, so that's why 3 take as a common, and x and 3 table 6 how many times it divisible? Already you know how to take common. So x plus 2 common, so x plus 2 take as a common, and so another factor is x plus 3. So x plus 2, one time x plus 2 is equals to 0, one time x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 2 transpose that side minus 2, plus 3 transpose that side minus. So minus 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of x square plus 5x plus 6. And one more example, same addition model. I took x square minus 7x plus 10 equation. Find the zeros of this particular equation. Same model. Here x square coefficient, x square before any number not there. So that's why 1 is coefficient. And constant term is 10. 1 tens are 10. That's why I found factors of 10. 1 tens are 2 5s are. It is addition model because constant term is positive. Compulsory we have to check only addition. Only addition. Here 10 plus 1 11. Here middle term is not 11. That's why it's not a suitable situation. So 2 plus 5 7. So it is the suitable situation. So I divided 7x as 2x and 5x. And here I took both the terms are negative. Why? Because your middle term is negative. That's why both the terms are negative. And you know how to take common here. From first term and second term I took x as a common. And I got x minus 2. And here minus 5. Here listen carefully. Third term and from third term and fourth term. Third term, if third term is positive, compulsory take positive number as a common. If it is positive, positive number you take as common. Here minus 5. 5 and 10 both are divisible by 5 and 10 are both are divisible by 5 table. That's why 5 take as a common. X is remaining. When we took minus as a common, plus change it into minus. 5 2s are 10. X minus 2 take as common. Another factor x minus 5. So we know this process. X minus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 5 is equals to 0. Minus 2 if you transfer, you will get x is equals to. And if we transfer minus 5 that side, x is equals to 5. 2 and 5 are the zeros of x square minus 7x plus 10. And so one more example. 3x, find the zeros of 3x square minus 2x minus 8. First find the product of x square coefficient into constant term. Here x square coefficient 3 and constant term is 8. 3 8s are 24. Find the factors of 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 table, 3 8s are 4 6s are. Again 6 4s are. When you will get reversed factors, then stop the result. So total situations we got 4. It is addition model or subtraction model? It is subtraction model because that constant term is negative. Compulsory, it depends on subtraction. 24 minus 1, 23. Middle term 23 not there. So that's why it's not suitable situation. 12 minus 2, 10. Here 10 not there. That's why it is not suitable situation. 8 minus 3, 5. It is not suitable situation. 6 minus 4, 2. So it is the suitable situation. And divide middle term as 2 terms. Subtraction time. Which symbol they gave for them in the, they gave means in the question, middle term is negative, bigger number is negative, smaller number is positive. Which symbol they gave for middle term, that is suitable for bigger number, another symbol suitable for the smaller number. So you know how to take common and a remaining process you know. And next one more example, fourth example, x square plus 3x minus 4. Same x square coefficient here, x square coefficient is 1 and constant term is 4, 1 4s are 4, and I found factors. And here it is subtraction model. Why? Because constant term is negative. 4 minus 1 3, so it is the suitable situation, it is not a suitable situation. Here middle term is positive, so which symbol they gave for middle term, it's suitable for bigger number. And another symbol here, middle term is positive, so that's why bigger number is positive and a smaller number is negative. So divide 3x as 2 terms plus 4x minus 1x. And you know how to take common and how to solve it remaining process. Thank you.